Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089549, or if you're unable to install this update, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update option. You can hit pause. Now once the update is paused, now click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, you can type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on start or restart. Now once this is done, now you can go back to Windows Update settings, and then if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then try to install the update once again. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box, make a right click on Windows PowerShell, make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. All the commands are provided in the video description. Now once done, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. You will not receive the error. If you receive, just ignore the error. Now copy the third command, paste it, hit the enter key. Now once done, you can copy the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once this is done, restart your computer. The restart is a must after this, and after the system restart, you can go back. If you see retry option, you can hit retry and then you can try to install the update. Still not working, the next step is to run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can update your Windows 11. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Now over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5089549, or this update, whichever update you are unable to install. Now paste you can write down the name of the update over here and then click on search. Now over here check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. For me it's version 25H2. So check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system and then go to about option, scroll down, go to about. Now over here check your system type. For me it's 64-bit operating system. So check your system type, and for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Click on download. Now over here click on the update, that is KB5089549, click on it and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then follow the on-screen instruction. You can install this update manually, and once it is done, restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, the next step is to fix problems using Windows Update. You can use this option, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down and then go to recovery option over here. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file, and then you can click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once done, you can click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute to close. So once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer, and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.